before you buy equals to volume trigger, or I call the VT. Okay, VT. Bracket VT. Okay, I call the VT. So this volume trigger is the one that tells me exactly when to buy a stock. Okay, it is not, for example, Matex. Okay, it is not, for example, Matex. The last traded price today is 31 cents. Okay, close at 31 cents. So it's like 1 bit higher of this candle, 32 cents, buy tomorrow. Not like that. Okay, why? Because you must see the evidence of money coming into the stock tomorrow and what direction it takes before you want to buy, ma. Correct or not? If it just trades higher by 1 cent, but after that at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., you start to see the stock price fall and the volume spikes up, selling. Okay, selling. So it reverses the buying, becomes selling. Then you have gone in at the wrong time. Correct or not? So you want to wait for the volume to come in sufficient enough to convince you that the money is flowing back into the stock. Then only you buy. Okay, then only you buy. That makes more sense. So this is all for tonight. All these stocks that I analyzed together with you and have some fun chit-chatting with you. Okay, for those of you who are interested in my training program, I do conduct a very low-cost training program, cater to train you up to be able to trade the stock market in under 3 months. Okay, so you're not looking at 2,000, you're not looking at 3,000. It is only at $291 for 3 months. So after 3 months, the most popular question is, after 3 months, what happened? After 3 months, then you are no longer a member. You should be able to know how to trade already. So if you still think that you need more training and you need more mentorship from me, then you renew another 291. Okay, now when you sign up for 291, what do you get? Okay, now this is me. Okay, you will get access to the premium training videos that I have prepared right here. So all members are encouraged to go through the training videos, 9 of them. Okay, let's go through. So how to use the software, just now I show you the ESP Master User Guide, and then how to find earnings momentum stocks. Okay, then this is how to calculate target price using the EPS model. Okay, and this one, how to determine volume trigger. This is the core principle behind the execution of the trade, when to buy. Okay, so how many units to buy, how many shares to buy, how to manage your stock portfolio. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, when to sell. Now buying is easy, buying is simple. Tomorrow stock market open, you just buy a stock. But when do you sell? That's the art you need to learn. Okay, now John asked a question, does the mentorship program cover the dividend play training? I am preparing for the video. Once it's ready, I will upload for all the members over here. Okay, there is no, okay, let me repeat, there is no second training on dividend play or a separate course. Don't have. It will be integrated into the same program over here. Okay, so this is the units. So once you get access to this Facebook private group, units is where all the training videos are, and discussion is the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, stocks that we are talking about, Sheng Siong lah, the weekly webinar lah, every Monday. Okay, every Monday about 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. I'll be online. So this is the video. Okay, then let's go back to this. You get access to all the software as well. Now this is the Facebook group. Okay, so the videos are inside this group, and you get access to this group during the 90 days. And you get access to the stock screener, ESP Master, and also the fundamental information right here. Last time we separate the package. This, you have to pay a separate cost for it. Now, no. Now, 2-in-1. Everything hamplang together for only 291. Okay, for only 291. So, I believe a lot of you may have traded before, and you know to lose 291 is very simple and very easy. Now, instead of losing this 291 and don't know what's going on and keep repeating, keep losing the next 291, why don't you invest this 291 in this program and learn, okay, how to read chart, how to find stocks to trade for 3 months together with me, that BMT. So after that, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay, but if, like I said, if you still need help, you can continue to subscribe to 291 and let us do this together. Okay, so this is the 4 simple step. You do the screening, you pick from the list, you evaluate the fundamental information, and then you wait for the volume trigger before you buy the stock. About ChartNexus, okay, I think a lot of you know who is ChartNexus. We supply charts to Keihan, UOB Keihan. We are the software vendor in the broking industry for the last 14 years. Okay, for the last 14 years. So you know that we are deeply rooted in this part of the world, supplying to the industry. Okay, you can trust us. Now this is my name, Yihua. Okay, a lot of people ask me, hey, your name, Chinese name, very difficult to remember. No, do you have an English name? Have. Okay, my English name is called ChartNexus law. Okay, ChartNexus law. Right, so this is my name, private trader for the last 16 years. So this last time a news article featured me, so I use this picture, okay, this phrase from me. And the trade results from all the past members and the testimonials are here, so you can come here and take a look. I'm going to, the link is already pinned up onto the chart, okay, onto the chart. Sorry, not onto the chart, onto the chat, to the chat. Right, so this is the program for 291. It's just like paying to learn swimming. Okay, paying to learn swimming. Now, I've come to the end of the presentation. Any questions, feel free to ask under the comments field.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.